Writing the same message over and over is a waste, and sending the exact same text to everyone gets you flagged. Friender's templates fix both. You build your messages once, make them feel personal and unique, and reuse them everywhere. Let me show you. Open templates, then segments. A segment is a named bundle of message variations. Friender rotates through them, so no two sends look identical. The real power is in the message editor. These 5 little buttons up top are your toolkit. Spintax lets you write options in curly braces, and Friender randomly picks one each time, so the wording changes on every send. Merge fields drop in personal details, like the person's first name. The Link Manager button inserts one of your tracked links. Image groups pull in a picture from your library, and Smart Break splits a long message into natural, separate texts. Over in groups, you can build a different version for neutral, male, and female friends. So, the tone always fits, and image groups hold your pictures, organized in folders. Static images are a shared library, and dynamic images go a step further, rendering the person's own name right onto the picture. That is, templates. Write once, personalize automatically, and never sound like a robot. To try it free, head over to start.friender.io.